Alright, today we're featuring a 2015 BMW Z4 S-Drive 35i. Alright, it's got 31,000 miles on it. It's alpine white in color. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. It is a hardtop convertible. It's got the 19-inch alloys on it. Driver's side is in fantastic condition. Alright, it's got dual exhaust. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in fantastic shape on the exterior of this Beamer. Alright, once again, it's a 2015. 31,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black and beige door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the tan leather seats, memory driver's seat. Let's go ahead and pop the key out real quick. Alright, does have keyless entry, push button start. Okay, little storage area right there. Passenger seats in fantastic shape. Alright, it's got your control center here, navigation, radio controls. Alright, it does have the Sportronic shifter. Heated seats, CD player, dual climate controls, and then this little area pops up right here. Is going to turn into a screen. We'll show you that in just a second. There's the push button start, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Does have your paddle shifters here on either side. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 31,799 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and now see, this pops up right here. Going to have your radio display, navigation. Let's go ahead and activate that. Alright, back to the home screen. And then these are all your different options. You got CD, multimedia, radio, telephone, navigation, office, connected drive, vehicle info, and settings. Okay. Climate control once again. Dual climate controls. Got the push button start over there to the left. CD player. Heated seats. Alright, and then you got your convertible controls right here, okay? You got your convertible hardtop. This one right here, we're going to go ahead and hit that button. Alright. Going to go ahead and have the top come down. Alright. Nice and smooth. Okay. Let's go ahead and hop out of here. Now that the top's off, everything folds down into itself here. Alright. It's got the windscreen right here too. The passenger seat leather's in fantastic shape. Alright. Door panels look good. Alright. Let's check out the wheels and tires. Got 19-inch alloys. Alright, got the low profile tires. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, tires are in good shape. Alright, once again, it's a 2015, let's see, 2015, okay, 31,000 miles on it. This thing's in fantastic shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.